Hi all,
Welcome back to Open Terrace Kitchen.
aka OTK.
Before we start the video, thanks to all the subscribers and thanks for the love and support which you guys have showed us. So today's episode is a little special as requested by everyone. We are doing veg today and we have someone special who's gonna show the recipe and cook today for us.
Yes, cook a veg dish for us. So guys, let's welcome Miss Yashashwini. Hi Yashashwini, welcome to OTK.
Hi, welcome to OTK.
Thank you so much.
So before we go to the recipe of the dish, what Yashashwini is preparing,
So guys, please like, subscribe and click on the bell button below. Yeah. Okay, Shishini. So what are we preparing today? What is the special today?
Today I'm making a dish which is very famous in Ballari. That is called Ogani Mirchi.
Hi, nice. So what all ingredients are required for this dish?
Yeah, for Ogani we need puffed rice, which I've taken this for 2 people. Salt, mustard seeds, turmeric, tomato, onions which is chopped, chilies and coriander leaves. Now I'll tell you the items for mirchis.
Okay.
Jeera,
Okay.
and then mirchis for
Right.
bhajis, and this is besan flour and little salt which is needed.
Right.
So these two are the items which we need for Ogani Mirchi. So now let's start the procedure how to do it. Now first we need to take the puffed rice,
Okay.
dip it in the water for 2 to 3 minutes.
Okay.
So why are we doing this? Shishini?
Soak this in the water because it becomes very soft and it holds the masala very
Okay.
well.
Okay.
So now I think it's done. So take it out and squeeze the water out,
Okay.
and you can transfer it to a dry plate.
Right.
So keep doing this until you get the quantity how much ever you need. So after we take it out from the water, so I've taken this quantity for 2 members.
Thank you.
So let's go to the masala now. Let's get the masala ready. Take handful of coriander and chili and let's grind it into paste. Masala looks like this after we grind it. Start. Can we lighten the gas?
Yeah.
Okay. So let's pour some oil. Required quantity for this. So let's wait for it to be heated up. Yeah, the oil is heated up. Now let's add some mustard seeds.
Wow.
Yeah, and some chopped onions. Let's wait till it gets into golden brown. Golden brown now, so let's add the paste which we have grinded. Keep stirring it. for
So
2
we'll
to
fry
3
the
minutes.
paste also, right?
Yes.
Okay.
So let's add some salt.
Okay. According to the taste, right?
Yeah, required to your amount you need. Keep stirring it. Yeah, the masala is fried now. So let's add some turmeric. A pinch. And some tomatoes also. Let's keep frying it. I think it's almost done. So you guys are ready to have it?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
We are waiting for the dish to get
Another 2
ready.
to 3
you know.
minutes, your dish is ready.
Nice, nice. Now you can feel, I can feel the aroma coming out of it actually. Oh my god, I can feel the coriander aroma.
Yeah, I think the masala is ready. Now we can off the gas.
Okay.
And you can put this puffed rice which is soaked. And we have to mix it completely into the masala. So let's mix it. So we need to add some salt because puffed rice will not have salt. Yeah, we have mixed it. So I forgot to tell you guys, we will also add lemon for the taste.
Okay.
Okay. You get the tangy flavor.
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
My mouth is just watering.
Yeah.
So let's mix it again.
I think this we can have it for breakfast and for snack also.
Yeah,
right?
yeah, yes, you can do it.
So this is called ogani, right?
Yes, this is called ogani.
Okay.
So the best combination for this is mirchi. So
Okay.
ogani is done. So let's go to the mirchi. So before that, I'm gonna transfer this to a plate.
Okay.
But you guys are gonna taste it only after mirchi.
Right.
Okay,
With
so
the
we need to
mirchi.
wait
Yes.
another 10-15 minutes.
Yes.
Right, ma'am.
Right.
Okay.
So I'll show you how to cut mirchi, and I have something different recipe of filling mirchi and making bhajis. Cut the edge of the mirchi this way and make it into half. If you prefer it to be spicy, you can leave it, but I don't prefer it, so I take this out. I keep it this way. So let this do it like this. So continue the same till you require the quantity to be done. Like I said, I'll be using jeera for the filling of mirchi. So I will be making this into powder, which will be like this. What quantity I have taken. So I am going to fill this with the jeera powder which we have grinded. Like this. You need to put jeera powder and salt. Sprinkle it how much ever is needed. So I'm done with the jeera powder. Now I'm taking the salt. You can take it according to your taste. Basin flour. Add some salt, how much ever is needed. Make it into paste. Add some water. Basin paste is ready. So I'm gonna soak it in the basin for 1 minute. So that it gets into it and have a good taste. The mirchi batter is ready. Now let's cook it.
Okay, shall I turn on the gas?
Yeah, please.
Thank you.
And pour some
So we are
oil.
deep frying it, right?
Yes.
Okay, nice.
So we'll pour some oil and wait for it to
Heat it.
heat it up.
So we are deep frying it, so we'll require much oil for this.
Yeah, the oil is heated up. Now I'm taking this one by one. Slowly put it in the oil. Be careful because the masala is filled. So you need to take the mirchi carefully. You can see one side is cooked. So let's turn it the other side so that it will cook equally. So guys, do it carefully because the oil is very hot. Like you see, it's golden brown.
Yeah.
So we can take it out from the oil.
Okay.
So it's ready to serve. Yeah, it's ready to eat. So I'm serving it to you guys.
Whoa.
Be careful, it's very hot.
Oh,
So yeah, both of
awesome,
you.
awesome. Thank
Okay.
you, Ashwini.
Finally.
Please let me know
Thank
how
you
it
so-
is.
Yeah,
sure,
sure.
sure. You ready?
Yes, of course, Papa.
The best part in our video actually.
Yes, we just eat, love to eat, you know. Oh my god. This ogani has a tangy flavor. It's really beautiful. It has a coriander, tangy, and the lemon is really beautiful. It goes nice as a breakfast or a snack recipe.
Yeah.
It's really amazing. Let
And I'm
me
having it for the first time and it's
Is it?
really delicious.
Nice, man.
Yeah, something unique. Did you?
Okay. As Ashu said, let's try this out with the bhaji, the mirchi. Okay.
Yeah. This bhaji is really different, no?
Right.
We have the
You know the
jeera.
flavor. No, the flavor. The jeera is really amazing, guys. I have had many bhajis, but this bhaji is really great.
Yeah.
It's just out of the box. The jeera flavor is really popping out of the bhaji, and it really goes good.
can
As
feel the
Ashu said,
spice.
this really
Yeah.
goes good with this ogani. Oh my god, this is really amazing. Thank you, guys. Thank you very much. Oh my god, this is really lovely. Let me enjoy the dish what Ashwini has given me.
Amazing dish. Thank you so much.
Thank
so
you, thank you.
Yashashwini also, she has her own channel.
Right.
So I will add the YouTube link in my description. Please go ahead and click on the description link, and please subscribe and like our channel also.
Our channel too.
And thank you so much. Please share, like, and
Subscribe. As well as click on the bell
Yes.
button, which is below.
Thank you so
guys.
much.
Thank you. Love you all. Please stay home, stay safe,
Eat good.
eat good food. Thank you.